We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the iHuorxe Fidget Spinner Toys, designed for adults and kids alike, including those with autism and ADHD. This product comes as a set of 2 metal fidget spinners marketed as stress relief toys, party favors, stocking stuffers, and thoughtful gifts for various occasions such as Christmas and birthdays. The spinners are small enough to fit comfortably in the hand and offer multiple ways to engage your fingers, including flipping, folding, and rotating, which can help reduce tension and anxiety while improving finger flexibility. Users appreciate the simplicity of the design, which allows the spinner to be held between 2 fingers and spun with the other hand. With some practice, it is even possible to spin it using one hand alone. The toy can also be used on a table by pressing the center to keep it stable, providing a versatile experience whether you are sitting at a desk or on the move. One of the standout features of the iHuorxe Fidget Spinner is its construction from safe, non-toxic materials that meet international safety standards. This ensures that both adults and children can use the toy confidently without concerns about harmful substances. The metal surface is smooth, and the high-quality bearings inside allow for a consistent, high-speed spin lasting between 2 to 5 minutes. This smooth rotation is not only satisfying, but also safe, as the surface design prevents any risk of cutting or injuring the hands during use. From the perspective of performance, users have noted that the spinner delivers a stable and quiet spin, which is essential for maintaining focus without causing distractions in environments such as classrooms or offices. The weight and feel of the spinner are often described as balanced and comfortable, contributing to a pleasant tactile experience. This is particularly important for those using the spinner as a tool for managing symptoms of ADHD or autism, where sensory input and repetitive motion can provide calming effects and improve concentration. The iHuorxe Fidget Spinner also serves as a practical gift option. Its appeal spans a wide age range, making it suitable for children, teens, and adults who benefit from stress relief or enjoy fidget toys as desk gadgets. It is commonly used as party favors, classroom rewards, carnival prizes, and holiday gifts, which speaks to its broad acceptance and popularity. However, some users have mentioned that while the spinner performs well for casual use, it may not compare to premium or specialized spinners designed specifically for record-breaking spin times or advanced tricks. The spin duration of 2 to 5 minutes is respectable but not exceptional when compared to high-end metal spinners that can spin for much longer due to optimized weight distribution and bearing quality. Another consideration is that, like many fidget spinners, this product's effectiveness depends on individual preference and needs. While it helps many users reduce stress and improve focus, some may find other types of fidget toys, such as stress balls or textured sensory tools, more suitable for their particular sensory requirements. In terms of durability, the metal construction offers good longevity, but as with any mechanical toy, the bearings may eventually require cleaning or replacement to maintain optimal performance. The product weighs about 3.52 ounces and measures 6 by 4 by 0.6 inches, making it portable and easy to carry in a pocket or bag. Overall, the iHuorxe Fidget Spinner Toys provide an affordable, safe, and enjoyable option for those seeking a simple yet effective way to manage stress, anxiety, or restlessness. The smooth metal design and quality bearings offer a satisfying spinning experience that can help users stay calm and focused. It is a versatile gadget that fits well into daily routines, whether at work, school, or home. If you own this spinner or have tried it, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is valuable and supports the community in finding the best tools for stress relief and focus. Remember, the link to purchase the product is in the description. Using it helps support this channel and allows us to continue bringing you detailed and honest reviews of gadgets that make life easier.